even recording. Hold on, kids. I'm sorry. I know this. I know the Tuesday streams are always a bit scuffed, but not this scuffed. I didn't record yesterday because, like, I don't know what happened. Like, the PC just was not having any of it. But anyway, I feel like on top of these basic, like, landmasses that we've got, so we've got 4 landmass brushes, which define key areas in the game, right? So we have the beaches. The beaches are all fairly well laid out, padded, and they describe the circumference. 10 sit-ups, 5 push-ups, 5 squats, 10 jumping jacks 3 times every other day in week 1. Week 20, fame saved dropped to twice a day every day. They're not exercises to get in shape, Mavis. They're exercises to strengthen the joints around which I'm having pain in my body. Well, I mean, you know, I may get in shape accidentally doing it, which wouldn't be a bad thing. I'm not saying getting in shape is a bad thing. I'm just saying that the doctor has prescribed me a month of exercise regimen to see if it will improve the condition, and if it does not, I go back. I'm not saying getting in shape is bad. I'm not saying the exercises that I've been given are the most optimum way to get into shape. I'm just saying it's doctor's orders. I have no say in this matter. The beaches go down from the beaches, which is something that I was worried about not happening. But I wonder if I could make one final impression. Basically the same for you. Your back and your knees have been killing you when you stand up for a while, and it's because you need to lose the weight. See, I'm not even that heavy. Like, I think I'm fat. Like, I'm not appreciative of the shape of my body, right? Overweight, definitely, but I'm not like gonna die fat, right? You know what I'm saying? I'm a average for the populace, maybe even slightly lower than average. Seeing some of the people around town, maybe my personal. If you consider round to be a shape, then you are in shape. Excellent. So yeah, I want to add one extra shape to these sets of shapes, which is going to be, I really don't know, because the last time we started messing with these, you saw yesterday when we made another one of these, and then it lagged the whole system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it very quickly so that we won't feel it, right? I'm going to rip it off like a band-aid. I'm going to hide this water plane, which shows us our water line. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to duplicate Yeah, thank you. Preparing shaders, thank you. Yeah, video memory has been exhausted. The second I touch this tab, yep. Coastline 2 is the center of the island, so we can't call that coastline. Can we actually rename that? This is LB. Thank you, Elkey. I cursed this keyboard now. It's pear-shaped. I won't think about it. LB. What do you call that when there's like soil? I'll just call it soil. LB soil. We want LB coastline, right? And we want to duplicate it. Yeah. What's 60 megabytes of video RAM? I'm sure it'll be fine. I'm sure it won't tank the stream at all. Well, we have it now anyway, so we can go to the details. There is no north on this, but we invert the shape. Alpha blend. Alpha blendo. Fall off angle. -2. Did that even do anything? Z offset. 0. Edge offset, yes. Edge offset, 128 units. Why not? You need to get your first round in. It's time. Chug, 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 chug. Please enjoy alcohol responsibly. Kids on the stream, please enjoy the alcohol responsibly. If you do not enjoy the alcohol, also, don't consume it. Pro tip: just don't. Just fucking don't. What's the business? Min? Or is that just where it finishes the taper? And it has actually done a dippy do? A dippy deeness? It's really hard to see sometimes. Oh, it's deleted Ant Mountain entirely. Panic. Not Min. Alpha Blend. We'll go back to Alpha Blend. Fine, why not? I didn't think it was going to do that. Because the... Is it because it's a weird shape? Is it because of this? Let's get rid of those, because obviously the coastline isn't gonna go around like that. Let's just delete. Delete key. Delete key. Delete key. The coastline isn't gonna do a hoo-ah into Costa Rica. So let's just get rid of those. And this one as well. Delete key. So now we have maybe a... Is that mountain still gone? The hell, man? Also, Akins, thank you for the follow. That's A with an A-I-E. Welcome to the channel. Hope you enjoy it here. Let me add you to the overlay. Let me add some choco. Ooh, my throat. Oh. It got everywhere. I can't finish my mouth now. Why can't I see clouds underneath the island? Excuse me. Excuse me. I don't know what was going on there. It was like we were into the skybox or something. And mountain's gone, the plateau's gone. I worry. Cap shape. Additive? There's no subtractive. It's going to take longer than I thought, isn't it? Interesting. Interesting. I'm going to be right back. Give me 2 minutes. I'm back. I'm back. Don't panic. 0% panic time. That is the problem. That is the problem. I set the offset value to be the wrong direction. One. One, I set the offset direction to be the wrong direction. Two. No, I think that's it. So when we cap shape, if we turn cap shape off, nothing happens. Good. We obviously need to offset the edge width by minus whatever it is on the regular coastline. There is 0 offset on the coastline. 2. That's right. So coastline 2, 0 offset, has an angle of 1.2 degrees. I'm not very much incorrect. 1.2, yeah. So from the land mass that we have created, every... I can't do the calculation. It's fairly steep though for a beach. Allegedly. Apparently, allegedly. Edge offset. This needs to be a minus number, seeing as how we want to bring it in from the edge, not take it out. 4,000. 4096. 4K. I don't know what that is. Does the coffee dance? Coffee acquired, Reno? Excellent. But we've capped the shape and we've dipped it, what, 4 meters? Maybe we need to dip it more than 4 meters. Because that's out here, right? That's where it is. Minus 6,000. Why not? And I feel like that is now going to be eating into the beaches, right? So there's a flat area outside of the zone. And then that's tapered 4,096 units from the edge of the zone out to that flat zone at 2 degrees. kind of hard to get an idea of the scale that this is existing at, but like if we add in like another 0 to this, right? We'll see it, right? Well, we might not actually, because we'll hit the limit of the landscape. Oh, it's just taken the whole thing down with it. That's not good. That is not good. Why is it taking the whole thing down? That's my question. Maybe the shape is just too complex. Maybe we did a bad, huh? Maybe the shape is because it goes out and then it comes back in, and I'm not sure it knows really what to do with that information. Which is tricky. That's right at the bottom as well. It's definitely doing something though, which is annoying. Yeah, it just lowers the whole thing, right? Second week in a row you couldn't take the trash up because the snow is still everywhere. I thought you lived in LA, Reno. I thought it was the sunshine paradise over there. Well, I guess, kids, this is just evidence of global warming. So yeah, it's just lowering everything at like flat rate, but it really shouldn't be doing anything on the inside of that. Texture render target 2D 1. It looks like the shape is uninvertible, yeah. Look. It's always dark in the middle. You see, this is the landmass, this is the promontory, and this is the ocean. It's not good. It's not what it's meant to do. So it doesn't look like that's going to work, unfortunately. California has multiple types of climate depending on where you are. The more you know. We're going to get rid of coastline 2 because it is not doing anything useful, unfortunately. And it did apparently snow for a while in LA recently. Don't spoil my dreams, Reno. I was going to retire there. I'm just kidding. Okay, video memory has been exhausted, so instead of doing any of that, what was that noise? What was that noise? You know what? I don't know. I don't know what that noise was, and I don't care what that noise was. We're just gonna move straight on. We're gonna get some. We're gonna make a layer. Create layer. This is gonna be. Is this a right-click rename thing? This is gonna be called. What are these? Landscape. Landscape BP. This layer, rename splines. And this is going to be reserved for splines. Yes. Paint. Spider noises. So, one of the big splines that we need to tackle is Ant Mountain's runoff. So, Ant Mountain is, as you know, a mountain. How tall is Ant Mountain these days? What height would you ascribe to this? Is there an easy way to check? We can go into the 2D viewport and measure it. We're 2 gig over budget. Are you kidding? Are we zooming the wrong way, maybe? I don't see anything. That's worrying. There we go. I don't know what that is, and we're going to ignore it for as long as we possibly can. Ant Mountain is approximately 2,470 units, 2.5 meters tall. That sucks. That's nothing. Is that right? 2.5 meters? I guess we'll make it work. I guess we'll make it work. We can always make it bigger. Anyway, I'm going to close this now, and I'm going to grab some assets from the other project, which is FBX Test Project, if I'm not incorrect. That doesn't look good. Should still open. I want to grab the tree. I want to grab I want to grab some of the tools. There's a sizing tool that we had. that will place ant-sized cubes in a grid. It's loaded on the other screen for some unknown reason. What are we looking at here? Oh, the tunnel, right? Yeah, of course. Why are we in why are we in wireframe? We can probably grab all this actually. Right? Ocean tools. Is there anything in ocean tools? That is just a rectangle. Building tools, we want that. Material tools, yeah, I think we want that. Okay, so we want all that except for ocean tools, which I don't know. So we right click, migrate. It's totally fine. And we find the project. Unreal projects. Nope. AOA. Does it just go in content? It does indeed just go in content. Some assets have corresponding content, route in the destination, bridge, control rig, animation sharing, Niagara. Would you like to migrate all selected assets into a folder with consolidated references without migrating into a folder? The assets of routes will not be migrated. Bridge, control rig, animation sharing, and Niagara. No. Without migrating into a folder, the assets in the above routes will not be migrated. Because they're all engine. They're all engine stuff. And they come with the engine. We should have those in the other project. I think it's freaking out over nothing. And I think most of the stuff that we want to use immediately is static meshes. Static meshes. They aren't a thing. Hello, Starry. Welcome back. An asset. Already exists in content ultra dynamic sky textures, whether rough, snowy. Yes. No to all. We don't want to copy things that we already have, especially things that we have a newer version of ultra dynamic sky in. That would be redundant. Just like copying the engine stuff over. Thank you, Starry. And now we just wait while it copies all the files. All those triangles, all those cool meshes. You're gonna look, digging games, excellent. Enjoy your look, Starry, thank you very much. Yeah, I'm okay. Getting there. Heavy breathe. I wonder if I can use this chair to do like. Oh, you know what? You could almost bench press in this chair. I have no room to. That could be fun. Do you know what, Starry? Maybe I'll dig some games too. That is loud. That is loud. Resume game. No? Not resume game? Okay, new game. It was this one that we were doing, right? Boom. Looks like we can fast forward while it's copying assets. That's nice. Relaxing. Missed. It missed. $325. Okay. Bloons Tower Defense. That's right, Starry. A classic. One of the games of all time. I see you've played Bloons before, Starry. You had a game like this on the PC, but it was like Snakes and Dragon in Egypt, you think? Zuma Deluxe? I love Zuma Deluxe. What a great game. I've played many hours of the shareware version of Zuma Deluxe. But it was bigger. biggened. We may lose some lives here. Because he doesn't have glue soak or corrosive, there's a chance that he'll glue something and the other glue monkey won't glue it because it's already been glued, but the glue is a lower level. Yes. That's the price we pay for the things that we do, for the things that we pay, for the things that we price, that we do, that we things that we... Excuse me? And there we go. All the assets are finished copying. Or have they? Yeah, they have. Let me just finish this round and we'll go check them out. So I meant the next round. You see Angry Bird 2. Angry Birds 2. I played a lot of Angry Birds 1 on my year abroad. No shame. It was a fun game. How's Destiny 2? I wouldn't play Destiny 2 if I were you. Destiny 1's pretty good, but you'd have to play it on a console. It didn't come out on PC. So if you have like a PS4, you can get the collector's edition of Destiny 1 on the PS4, and that'd be a fun time. Destiny 2 is just outright, it's just a bad game. Like, it's not a bad game, but they treat their customers like poo-poo. And it's a very expensive game. Like, it looks free on the surface story, but if you play it for free, there's basically nothing you can do. You can't do any other content, basically. You get, like, the introductory thing, and then you can play, like, matchmaking. Nobody likes playing matchmaking. You can't. I don't think if you can even play Osiris. You've played a Mahjong? I like Mahjong. Mahjong Solitaire, right? You're not playing, like, Majin Rising or anything like that. That was brutal. What was brutal? Me speaking 7 truths. Speaking 7 truths about Destiny 2. Mahjong. First round of exercise. Oh. Oh, let me do my forward arm raises. Hold on. I can't do them because I'm not stood up. So never mind. I will not do them. Preparing them textures. Yes. Yes, my lad. Is it bad that I kind of want to make another landscape brush plateau for this? I guess we'll put the tree here. We'll put the tree on this plateau. Is that really only 2 meters? Like it's like a kilometer away from us here. That's 2 meters up? That's bullshit. No way is that only 2 meters up. I also like the fact that the second we stop doing a landscape thing, that's like 20 meters up. Fuck you. That's a 1 meter cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's only bad if UE crashes again. And there's space between these, right? 9, 10, 11. In fact, there's an easier way to do this. We just bring one lad right to the top of the mountain. I pressed the wrong button. I know. I'm sorry. Is it spacebar? Is it shift? It's shift. So bring one lad to the top of the mountain, and we find the details. Z 6080, and the Z of this guy is on the floor. 3,370. 3,000 units. It's centimeters. Yeah, it's 30 meters tall. 30 meters tall cliff. Which is totally 27, whatever. Oh, I'm an idiot. That's what happened. I'm an idiot. That's what happened. Scuba dee dee. Content browser, right? So we should have all this stuff now, right? Cool. It's brought over some of the tropical stuff as well. Science meshes. And inside files. Berlin, look! Berlin, look! It's all your cool meshes, look! It's most of your cool meshes that are mostly cool. Ant Mountain files. All those rocks from Ant Mountain that we didn't finish pruning. Good. Flask and Bublés. Some stuff that we have not finished doing here. What's outside? Tree of Life outside files file. Version 8. Last. True. This one. Mossy Tree Static Mesh. Full ZBrush Poly Mesh 3D 6 and 7. These are the trees, right? And we'll put the tree in this large open area. Not so large, this open area, huh? Ooh. Who would have thought? Who would have thought that we would have made this much of an error in just... Why is it sideways? It's just... It's not me, right? It's leaning, right? It's leaning over sideways. Is it meant to lean over sideways? Wow, look at that shadow, though. Okay, maybe Ant Mountain is a bit small. It's only 27 meters tall. Pretty. Well, you can thank Balint for the pretty models. He is resident 3D professional on the Antonia problem. There's meant to be a thing up there, isn't there? It's this. This is meant to be up there. It's meant to have a mesh as material as well, isn't it? Did we not do it yet? Science materials. Oh boy. MI tree stump. There it is. No? That's not it, is it? No, that is it. That is exactly it. There it is. Doing its thing. Yeah. So if we were to come down here at the bottom of the tree of life and save the game just in case, save everything just in case, and then play the level. What have we got to look at? We can't see Ant Mountain from here, which is fantastic. We got the tree of life. It's pretty impressive. I'm not gonna lie, tree of life looking impressive right there. And we're basically back to where we started. Like, we've got a basic island going on. I know it doesn't look like much. Okay, hear me out. I know it doesn't look like much. But believe me, it's totally great. Reno's spacing out today, aren't we all? Are we not all spacing out today? So we can't see Ant Mountain from this distance. Grids, one array element, main grid. Should streaming block in situations where cells aren't getting loaded fast enough? Priority 0. Enable Z colon. World to meters. Scale of 1 unreal unit to 1 meter in real world measurements. For HMD and other physically tracked devices, e.g., 1 UU is equal to 1 centimeter. Would it be 100? Oh, that's what it is, right? Great. Default max distance field occlusion distance. Global distance field view distance. Dynamic indirect shadow self-shadowing intensity. Allow tick before begin playing. So we can make new grids here. So this is main grid. I'm sure we'll get there. We'll be fine. Anyway, we should have some. That's why I brought everything over, because asset tools includes the zoo. Does that actually load? Hold on. Does that actually do the thing? Does that actually load our zoo? No way. I see I have tried to load something cursed. Excellent. Oh wow, we just straight up just lost that pink. And that yellow. Yep. A dog's borfing. Dog's got his borf on. Borfulon. They're just not fast enough. You see that? They can't even lead the pink ones good enough. That's frustrating. Oh, actually. Well, I guess until we have 4, we can't really talk. They got to go in the middle. How are we gonna afford 4 though? What the hell? What are we gonna do about those pink balloons, kids? What are we gonna do about all those pink balloons? Oh! I think we've approached this level in exactly the wrong way. There he is. I mean, we got him. Kind of. Oh no. This is doing its best. You reckon we can get all four with one tower? I don't think we can. Oh, here we go. The beginning of the end. Or not? And another thing, does the tower detect the balloons in its range, or does it give the monkeys in the range of the tower the ability to detect the balloons in its range? They are the questions. Is this thing actually ever going to load, or have I just wasted my time trying to open this thing? Out of a morbid curiosity. Hugh, how you doing? You've come here at exactly the right time. I've just lost this round on balloons. We're doing balloons. We don't make video games here. Sorry. Garbage collection did not activate. Balloons. But yeah, I decided I'd open the zoo level just to make sure it was working. I don't know why. Morbid curiosity. I saw it and I clicked it. Okay, we don't ask questions about these things. Okay. I can't afford two of those. What can I afford? For 650, what can I afford that does heck of damage? It is literally just one of these. And some of that. Oh. Maybe I should have just bought 2 of these. Okay, you can't afford 2, can you? 390 would be 780. We should be able to get a new one after this, though. And it's a good thing, too, because we're onto blues. You know what they say about a blue? There it is. So I'm going to keep the middle clear for a tower. I hope you understand. You don't stay long. My stream's too quiet for you apart from Trackmania. Generally while you listen to block out noise. Otherwise you love the quiet. Uh-oh. It's fine. It's fine, Hugh. If you enjoy a rowdy stream, I don't mind you just stopping in for a few minutes every day, saying hi, and then I'm trying to think of a cool rowdy stream you can check out. How about, do you like art? There's Almanzo. I can't type. There's Almanzo Bean. They have a rowdy stream. Real rowdy streams. It's a requirement to get by. Oh, Hugh. Oh, Hugh. Next time I stream, I promise, I'll blast death metal. Full volume. Nothing else. There will be no sound. Only... Oh, I could stream that guy's AI-generated gent, couldn't I? Woe is ye. See, I want to save up for the tower, but I get the distinct feeling that we need more firepower before we need the tower power. You know what I mean? So I'm just going to keep stacking these in the middle. Struggle is real. Shame. If only the struggle wasn't real. If only the struggle was just a figment of our imagination, and we could ignore the struggle if we chose to. That would be good. Did I see Steve Terryberry's latest video? I don't watch Steve Terryberry videos anymore. I'm sorry. I'm an Adam Neely guy. He's made some funny flicks in the past, but he's his audience is beyond me now. It's trying its hardest. I'm sorry, kids. It's trying its hardest. Why did I think it was a good idea to press OK? Why did I think that this was the correct choice of action? We'll never know, but it's fine. We'll power through. We got plenty of minutes. His content has been lacking lately. I don't know. I just, you know, there are, I don't know. If I wanted to watch guitar memes, well, who's that guy? KZ Chris. Is he an Irish? Is he an Irish guy with the green guitar? You know the green guitar meme, where he's like, you should get. Is he Irish? Is he American? I can't even remember. See, this is how many videos I watch on YouTube every day. I don't even know where the YouTubers are from anymore. But he was there like, oh, everyone wants, you know, bull top guitar, purple guitar, green guitar. Not green guitar. You don't follow memes? What? But Steve is only memes. Steve Terryberry's entire channel is memes. Come on, Hugh, you're not making sense. Don't make me bring out the scent stick. KDH, KMDFM, KMFDM, KZHT. It's the trick now, streaming game dev by having the engine open. I'm waiting for it to open. It's loading. Ah! Bring them back. Thanks, Windows. I know you were only trying to help. Never try and help again. It's loading a level, Devro. There's nothing I can do until it does that. Did I see your ant in the Discord? Look, I don't get Discord notifications because I'm in a million Discord servers. So no. But now that you've mentioned it, I will go look. Where is it? My Discord, your Discord, Science Discord? My hands are still stiff from trying to unscrew that fucking sink. My keyboard's nice and clean now, though. It's a cool ant hue. Did you know? Enable to send message, accessibility. We go to the art tab, we pray it's not NSFW. There's nothing in my art tab. Well, there's loads of cool stuff in the art tab. Where is it, Hugh? Is it in the Science Discord? It's not art. Ant photography. Look at him carrying it. Whoa. Whoa. Where is it, you? Show it to me. It's in mine. In show off for everyone. Whoa. Whoa. Shoe off. I take my shoe off for that. That's nice. Nice ant hue. Good ant. I like it. One day soon I'll have to do the exact same thing. I like the colors as well. It's got a nice sheen to it. Are you kidding me? I left the space open exactly so I could put this here. I swear to God. If I've got to sell these to put this down. 492. It's not even worth that. Oh my God. Oh my God. You're killing me, Smalls. I have been killed by Smalls. Fine time sculpting. You can say that again. Speaking of other things that you can say again. Speaking of ants. Speaking of professional ant content delivery people. Seeing as how we are waiting and not doing anything productive, we can at least give some shout outs. Plus one for Mr. Sarstrooms. Ant content creator of the decade, let's be real. Making your own roughness maps and re-topologizing and rigging and animating. Yep, it's the rigging and the animating that I'm scared of. No, I'm not scared. It's just... I've never really applied myself to rigging and or animating. And I feel guilty because I asked Bullen if he would ask someone who has spent time applying themselves to rigging and animating to rig and animate the anim. And what we got back is something that is rigged and animated in some capacity, but not really I don't want to say usable. It's a good base for reference work to improve on, but it is not directly implementable in the game. I've tried. It doesn't. There's something wrong with the weight paints. There's something wrong with the vertexes. I don't know. There's something wrong with the way the skeleton is set up, that the Unreal Engine does not look at it with a fond view. The Unreal Engine sees it and it goes, ugh. I want to put the glue gunners like right next to where they come out, because they have the highest chance of getting the pinks that way. And we can get 2 actually, which is really good. Glue gun, my dudes. Go. There's no one coming out of this one. I realize I may have made a mistake. That progress bar does not seem to be loading, but at the same time, I'm pretty sure I've got shader computes in there. If we open up our task manager, I'm pretty sure we'll have Unreal Engine shader compiler workers. Oh! No. No, we do not. Oh, yep. Yes, we do. Hey! The second I system interrupt. Blueprint bad. Blueprint bad. Okay, we got a blueprint bad. Okay, that's not good. Hector. Instant static mesh component Boolean element 0 mi Japara brown granite. It is textured. Okay, we have blueprint bad everywhere. Maybe that's why it was getting angry. Edit BP 3D text renderer. Oh, you're exporting it to 3JS so it's playable. We'll see how you get on. Maybe you can help. You can help with the rigging and the animating. Not the spelling though. Haha. Update text, set text value, error, text. Read the value variable text. Blue jean. Words. Yeah, we don't have the 3D text. We don't have the 3D text generator enabled in the blue jeans. Speaking of blue jeans, you should all check out Mika314. Actual real live professional video game developer. Having coffee, try not to space out. How is Hugh? Hugh. BP 3D text renderer. The question is, you remember the other balloons game? Nope. And text is, it's compiled, so that should be fine. So now if we open the zoo, I didn't just do that to waste more time. I knew it was going to open quickly. Oh, we can fit one round in. It's not an addiction. Want. blue looping. It works perfectly. Check it out, kids. We got our asset zoo back intact, working. Isn't there meant to be wind sway on these? Whatever. Oh. Nordic B form VD4. Nordic B form YDY. Ultra dynamic megabolent other assets. We haven't arranged any of the megabolent assets. I guess we should do that at some point. Not today. Maybe not today. Not today. Exactly and specifically not today. Okay. Baked generated mesh. I don't think we need that. BP ant scale ruler. Let's. I don't like this. Let's go. Back to open test. Kind of a mix between fried and okay. Uh-oh. And what we were going to do originally is go landscape mode. We were going to the spline layer. Having a control point selected when you control click will connect a new control point. Did we get a spline? Oh, there we go. We've got ourselves a spliny boy. So now we can go to the details. Side fall off is, I don't know, not a lot. 512. Half width. Ooh. Have I seen Aston Martin's new team boss, Mike Crack? Nope. Hang on. Side fall off. $10,000 wide. What is drive to survive? Oh! Excuse me. Ah. Oh. Where is the end fall off on this lad? Huh? There doesn't seem to be any. I'm pushing my computer to the limits with a one piece of grace. Where's my Ouija? Where is my dingle dangle? Oh, poor PC, please don't. You can do this. I believe in you. Why don't I have a fucking gizmo anymore, huh? I know why there's no end fall off. I've got my gizmo back, don't worry kids. Don't panic. Where's the fucking tangents? Tangent. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You know what makes me nervous when you do that, PC? You tried making a DNA tree and it's not easy. Have you ever tried building a tropical island, Hugh? God, it's not an island. Every time I got myself, played myself, walked into it myself. What is this? Hmm? What is this? That's not correct, okay? Whatever that is, it ain't it. Okay? What the hell? Like, what is, like, what, like, actually what is going on? Not a full scene, but you have palm trees. Semi-tropical. Yeah, I feel like I'm playing a game from the 90s. What if we just move this over here, huh? Ah! Yeah, you post it in chat or something. Post it in Discord or. Ah. 322. 320. 315. 310. 310. That'll do. What am I doing? I'm making a world. I'm making a level. I'm doing a heckin' sculpt. My PC is not enjoying it at all. So that's 18,000 wide. That's 20,000 wide, is that? 22,000 wide, why not? Push the boat out. And this one is 30,000 wide. $44, $44, $63. Does it help with performance if you turn your camera distance clipping down a bit? What is camera distance clipping? You. What are you talking about? New on Reds. New on Reds in Trackmania. What? MoneyGram, Haas, Team F1. Gunther Steiner misheard in the paddock. A funny meme, I'm sure. How far the camera can see in my viewport. I don't think I can change that. Nana, why don't I have a British accent? This is what I'm talking about. I get bullied on the daily for not sounding like anyone who lives around me. I have lived here my whole life, except for 1 year in Japan. Why don't I have a British accent? I don't know. I don't know. Why does it sound forced if I put it on? Hey Hugh, what a great tip that was. That's actually really helped. Look at that. Delicious 1 kilometer render distance. I'm gonna up that to maybe 1.5. 1.5 kilometer. Load the level. Can I go into lit now? Manadonno. Sounds British enough to me. I mean, maybe I don't sound like I'm from Los Angeles. But I have it on many accounts that I don't sound like I am from around here. These parts. Bucko, boyo. Let's just go back to selection mode, huh? My PC is crying. Is this what people mean when they say Unreal is too heavy for their PC to run? Is this what people are talking about? Can I move the spline points? I can't. Oh, I can. Hold on. Landscape spline actor instance. I can interact with them, but I cannot change anything about them. I can't select the splines when I'm not in landscape mode. It needs to come back a little bit. How do we do unlit on medium or low graphics quality? Top right hand corner graphics setting. Oh, here we go. Whoa. There it is. Pally! Thanks, Mika. Why did I increase the field of view? I didn't increase the field of view. What are you talking about, Hugh? I'm gonna come out throwing hands in a second. Check these macaronis. Increase the field of view. I went from 500 to 1.5 kilometers. I did not increase the field of view. I decreased the far plane from infinity to 1.5 kilometers. If you were paying attention, you would know that. If you were paying attention, you would realize that 0 on the slider is infinity, not 0. Because you wouldn't be able to see anything if it was 0. Oh, I could set it to 0.1. Yes, 1 millimeter from the cameras. That might be inside the near clipping plane too. You definitely wouldn't be able to see anything. It would be hilarious. Everything's gone. Everything's gone. I have nothing. I'm just gonna go sit in a corner and cry now. One more round. We'll wait for it to cool down for a brief second. We'll just see what it does. We'll see where it gets to. You're too poor to afford attention? Lamau. Infinity symbol? You thought that was a lazy 8. Chat's getting real rowdy today, huh? Chat's getting real rowdy today. Yeah, it's funny. A lot of the fonts that I use in the games that I make don't have an infinity symbol Unicode character. So I do just use an 8 and tip it on its side. But that's no excuse. Just because I'm poor, just because I can't afford like a custom font for every indie project that I work on, for every game jam that I touch. Never thought I'd get roasted by chat this much. I never thought chat would get this rowdy. Google fonts are free. I refer you to my previous statement. I can't afford a custom tooled font which has got an infinity Unicode character in it. Not all the Google fonts, believe it or not, have got a Unicode infinity character in them. Not all the Google fonts are full Unicode character sets. They're missing thousands of glyphs. And they have more than most, granted. They have more than most. But they also, I didn't know about Google fonts when I was making Game Jam games. And now I'm here, I already have. We got a nice couple of fonts to work with in the engine. Mika, did you see my thing? Did you see the thing? Ah, well this isn't gonna bloody well work, is it? Did you see the text boxes? Let's just go check out my Twitch on Chrome. I've never checked my Twitch out on Chrome before. Let's just... Shush. How do I get to my videos? Like I'm on my channel. How do I get to my videos though? Do I have to click my name again? Oh, I don't know. Videos. Highlights and uploads. So stinky. Popular. I want to view all my clips. Yeah. Because obviously I can't show you in the engine. Do I like the Black Keys? I have no opinion on the band The Black Keys. Top all. Why are like 5 of the top 6 of my things CSGO? CSGO. 4 of the top 6 clips. 6 of the top 9 clips. I gotta stop playing CSGO. They're old clips as well. I'm not even that good. This. One more time, just for the Mika, did you see this? Audience. We'll have a little cheeky little peeky at Lauren Mipson. And just print Lauren Mipson into the text box, isn't it? Isn't it beautiful? Very nice. You recently got into them good music. Congratulations, Hugh. I'm glad that you're appreciating a musical artist for the content that they're producing. What kind of music do they do? Is it like metal? Do they do metal? We'll have a little... So it says I was playing Trackmania because my stream crashed, and clips only take the first category that you stream in. I'm playing it again just so you can see it again. So I can see it again. It's so good. It's so satisfying. You have no idea how satisfying it was when that actually happened, and it was just there going... I was so happy. I was so happy to see that. And now we have we got a full... For fuck's sake, this is going to take hours. You think you did see it? You remember listening to them, but you can't remember a single song? Oof. Ooh, that's a big roast. That's a big... It's like an indie rock blues soul. That doesn't sound like the kind of thing that I'm into, but I'm glad you're into it. Someone's got to be into something, right? Ah, sugar. All right, here we go. We lose a bunch of lives now. Wait, can I just do that? Ha! Yes. Oh wow, his aura blocks my fast forward key. Priceless. Mika's COVID brain to tune ba 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 to F sharp. Ma, your COVID brain's so sharp. My COVID brain was just like there was soup inside my head, and there was just soup inside my head, and it came back. I don't know why it came back. Full on brain damage. That's what COVID does to you. I told everyone at work. I said, COVID will give you brain damage. And they were like, yeah, right. Here we are, 18 years later. I love this game, by the way. Bloons Tower Defense is one of the greatest creations of mankind. Bloons Tower Defense is an obelisk to stand in the face of the tomb of Tutankhamun or the Sphinx. An edifice crafted, wrought by the hands of mankind to stand through the ages as a pinnacle. Your COVID brain likes to troll on Twitter. You had a blast yesterday night. Oh no. Oh no. Mika the Twitter troll. We've entered a new age. It's game over. Oh, no, we only lost 3 lives. Hold on. You could still be in it to win it. COVID gives you brain damage. The vaccine gives you heart failure. I don't know about the vaccine giving you heart failure. I'm sure it gives some people some things. Oh, for fuck's sake. Bloons Tower Defense 4 is the worst piece of software ever coded by a human or otherwise. There we go. This isn't gonna finish. This isn't gonna finish. Can we go to selection mode, please, so the engine can just not. Oh no, I want to see the landscape streaming proxies. What I don't want to see is all the tools stuck to the landscape. We are gonna move these to create new folder. Landscape. It was my baby arms. They weren't big enough to get all the way over to the P. I don't know, that's okay. It comes down, it flows decently. There's a hole there. Directly in the middle. This is what pisses me off about Unreal, right? What's the need? What's the need to just put a hole in my goddamn terrain like this, huh? Huh? Is this funny for you? Huh? Because this isn't funny for me. Do you see me laughing? Do I look like a clown to you? Does it look like I'm here to make you laugh? Sugar gives you diabetes. Yep. Yep. So it needs to come up a little bit. It needs to come up like a unit. I can't deal with this 1.5 kilometer view distance, man. It's killing me. 1.5 kilometers of view distance. That's nothing. Look at how small that view distance. Look at how small that view distance is. That's right, kid. If you interact with the physical world, it will deal you physical harm. It will cause you physical maladies. So if you exist, one day you will cease to exist. That's the trade-off. That is the trade-off. It looks mostly okay. There's we can cover it up with mega scans, don't worry. we'll just hide the crimes. It's fine. Mika, have you done any work with world partition yet? Have you done any crazy cool stuff with world partition? It's how you play video games on your laptop because it's a crap top. With no view distance. I want to make it very clear to the studio audience right now that I'm only doing this because my PC it's one, it's streaming at the same time, and two, I might be asking a lot of it. Three, I don't think there is a three. Sorry, I don't think this through very well. Oops. Four, I hate landscapes. Like, what's the point in them existing? Because you can do cool render target stuff to them, maybe. Because you can use them to drive, like, biome coloring for vegetation variation coloring, maybe. Because they're an easy way to import height map data as a level, maybe. What's this? Is it the end of the ramp? It's the end of the ramp. That needs to come down. And we already said it needed to come down. It also needs to be less wide. Maybe slightly over to the left. I'm trying to make 50 games this year. All games are small with no open world games. Boo! You should make a giant world partition game for the 50th game, Miko. 50 games in a year? That's one a week. With a 2-week break. One game a week with a 2-week break, Mika. That's insane. I wish you luck. That's insane. One a week. I could make a game one a week. They would be horrible games. They would all be the same game. I'm guessing twin stick shooter. Mika, please make a twin stick shooter on your one of your weekly games. I love twin stick shooters. They're one of my favorite games. You could even then reuse that code the week after and make a survivors game. Have you played Vampire Survivors yet, Mika? Have you played Holocure? They're the same game basically. Just Holocure is free. Vampire Survivors is $11. I don't like this. I don't like this appearing. It's kind of weird, right? I mean, it's okay. Oh, yeah, no, we can't see more than a kilometer. Shit. What's the view from up here? It's glorious. This is what it's going to look like on the Switch. 50 developers struggle to make one game. One developer struggles to make one game. So you thought you'd change some variables. That's so crazy. Right. Well, Unreal's obviously doing its thing. I don't want to interrupt it, but I'm going to have to, even if it is 30% done. This is going to take a long time, right? It's already 5 p.m. Preparing the shaders just for low scalability settings isn't going to help us. I'm going to try very quickly to go back into landscape mode and move this lad a little bit. And then once we've failed to move this lad a little bit, does he need to go up or down? There he is. I hit him by accident. And also, I can't edit the tangents. I can't edit the in-out tangents. It's making me very stressed out. Don't cast Shadow. Why would you cast Shadow? Unreal is unreeling. Yep. We're bottoming out. We're running on like 8 frames per minute. I can just click this, right? Click this lad. $14.10. Does it need to go down? I think it needs to go up. Minus 1410. Minus 1400. You see, there is an end to it, right? But there also isn't. Layer width ratio. Side fall off. Left side fall off. Left side layer fall off. End fall off. 50,000 units of end fall off. I don't even give a damn. And it's like, yeah, nope, sorry. We don't care how much end fall off you want. We're not giving you any. This is totally unbased. It's the opposite of being based. It's actually a little bit cringe. I mean, it's preparing shaders. What do you expect? What do you expect it to do? Like run faster than 4 frames a year? And this is the problem that we're going to run into. Like, I don't understand the people who just go to YouTube and they record themselves and they just make a landscape like that. Like, they just world partition 64 by 64 kilometers. Open world, big terrain battle simulation with multiplayer enhanced. They just do it in like 10 minutes in real time in front of your face, and it's just like the mind boggles. Maybe they have nothing holding them back. They have no kind of preconceived notion of what their level's going to look like, and they just roll with whatever Unreal gives them the first time. That's a potential. They could not care about what the level looks like and simply use the basic level that they are given. They could have rehearsed it thousands of times in the past. Let's get out of landscape mode. Let's go back to selection mode. Is the easiest way to verify that our changes have looked good. Actually, that's not bad. Maybe it needs to come up a tiny bit more. A tiny bit more. We could potentially add another like spline segment to it. But it's not bad. We'll get in there. It's just peeking onto the top there. And it is the basic kind of shape that we're looking for. Except for this. The fuck is this? Oh, we still have volumetric clouds and a simulated sky. It's beautiful. It's just like really low poly now. Like really, like look at those wispies. I really like that actually. It's delicious. Like lingonberries on a hot Sunday afternoon. What even is a lingonberry? Like, I don't know, but I know they taste good. I know that they are the shit. And I can't move this. I mean, I can move it, but I can't change the position of any of the spline points, and the spline points aren't represented in the actor. So, you know what? Save all. We're done. We've run out of time for today. Okay? I'll do those shady boys offline sometime. Yeah. Doi. That's right. Get reflected, camera. You idiot. It's not satisfying. Oh, I closed Chrome. I want Chrome. I want Chrome back because I want to have a look at how much those CD polishers are actually. CD polishing machine. What? Yo, $39.99? Next day shipping? Manual disc cleaner. See, this is what I was looking at. The JFJ Easy Pro. It's £249. Harmer CD DVD repair with cleaning kit with cleaning fluid repair paste. Yo, 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 yo. That is going to show my name and address. Yo, 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 yo. Diagnostic cleaner. Cleaning disc. Single. Improves playback quality, reducing your read error. Special patented repair paste. Easy removal of scratches and DVDs. Cleaning fluid contains 25ml of cleaning paste, 5 lint-free polishing pads, 45ml cleaning fluid, and an atomizer cleaning soft shell pad. Causes irritation, blah blah blah, no one cares. Yeah, but is it good though? From the manufacturer. It's made by Harmer. Turn the handle several times. It's not automatic. It is manual. The ProCare DVD CD disc cleaner and reconditioner cleans Blu-ray discs. Has got 4 out of 5 stars. It's only $40. Refill kit for ProCare CD DVD disc cleaner and reconditioner cleans Blu-ray discs. It's got replaceable consumables. That looks like hard abrasive though. What the hell? That's scary. Quick and easy motorized cleaning process, rid of smudges, fingerprints, oil, dirt, Blu-ray discs, and CD program, lifetime archival, data storage, regular disc maintenance. Repair most surface scratches on DVDs, CDs to eliminate skipping, freezing, and fail to play. Integrated storage drawer to keep all the pads and liquids organized. Hey, this could be the one. Like, it's just a couple of motors in a box with a couple of cleaning pads, but this could be the one. Provided pad and liquid are good for 50 times disc cleaning and repairing uses. Let me check. I'm recording all this. Sorry, I shouldn't be recording all this. You was back to mobile. It shows ended. Stream ended. The stream crashed. Sorry. Disc cleaner. Where are you gonna put that next to your tape rewinder? Well, I'm sorry, Devro, that you didn't have a horribly, disgustingly scratched copy of Alundra that you paid too much money for, among other scratched discs and miscellany around the house. And you live in an entirely digital age where you've already pre-dumped all of the ROMs from your retro media onto your PC directly, and you have them stored not only in a local device, but a secondary local backup device and on the cloud, serviced by a third-party vendor with excellent redundancies. I'm sorry that I'm a baby that only has one copy of each media. Like, I can't afford to maintain 4 copies of each media that I have and backup things while also simultaneously sidestepping the backup protection for some of these software options. Anyway, point is, I'm going to the reviews and I need to stop this recording before I actually record myself reading all these reviews out on stream. It's the stupidest thing ever. It doesn't. okay. Dopo aver pulito dei CD DVD che funzionavano prima della pulizia hanno smesso di funzionare diretto allo scaffale. I CD DVD non funzionano più dopo la pulizia. This product sucks and there are customer review services not helpful. Well, great. So thank you for joining us for the dev segment of the stream where we made a small amount of progress, but not a large amount of progress. And I'll see you. I'm going to go get a drink and I'll see you in the Trackmania segment of the streams. Thank you.